Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can create a free shipping bar using Hextom Free Shipping Bar app. So without delay, let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. Like I said, I'm using Hextom Free Shipping Bar app. I had downloaded this from Shopify App Store. So this app is a powerful app that helps the store owners to increase the sale by encouraging the customers to spend more to qualify for free shipping. Instead of simply displaying a free shipping offer, this app will allow or shows a dynamic progress bar that updates as the customers add product to their cart. So in Shopify App Store, just go for searching the Hextom Free Shipping Bar and you can see their installation page like this. I recommend you to go through this because this contains me some overviews and some key points, and also they provide the pricing plans. I recommend you to go through the free plan first because once this app is beneficial for your store, then you can just upgrade to their premium plans. And going down, you can see some genuine reviews from different merchants also here. So just go through this, and if everything is fits for your store, then you can just click on install button. Before installing, make sure that you are logged into your Shopify admin panel. I have already installed the app. That's why this app section is showing the Hextom free shipping bar. So if your installation progress is completed, similarly, you can just see the app here in this left hand side. Just go and click on Hextom free shipping app. Now you can click on create new bar. Now you can see different templates over here. There are basic templates and the premium templates also. So for this premium templates, we have to be in a premium plan. Since we have on the free plan, we can use the basic templates only. So just go through this and you can just click on anyone as per your which matches to your online store themes. So let's go with the shades of gray now, since this will uh, more matches to the color theme of my online store. So you can just give any reference name for the bar and make sure that you are giving a proper meaningful one because you can just easily identify this from your list of names. So I'm just going with the free shipping bar one, let's say. And now we can just change the content and style because there are content as like free shipping gold type. If the amount spent, you can just have only the amount spent option for now. And if you have a premium, if you are a premium member, then you can just go with the item count also, and you can just give the amount here which the like if no minimum order value is required, we can just set this to the 0 because where the free shipping will be available for all the products. And you can just see the mobile preview, or the we can also switch this to the uh, our desktop preview like this. So you can see the gold type here. Let's change this to 1000 for now. Yeah. So my goal type was 1000 to achieve the free shipping, and we can also change the currency. So if you want to show this up in a USD, then you can just use the USD, and you can change this to your online store's currency. So just go with that. And next was the initial message. So free shipping for orders above 1000, since we have the gold type as the $1000. And you can have, if you have want to give any other message after this 1000, you can go with like let's say yeah, just have, let's give some what the symbols over here. And next, the progress message bar. So this progress message was similarly we can have some text like only 500 away from the free shipping like that. And this will be automatically changing with the products we are adding to the cart. And like the success message, you can just give as congratulations, you have got free shipping. let's add some exclamatory mark over here. And call to action, if we want to give any call to action, we can just make it as bar clickable with adding the link here. Otherwise, we can just make this as a none. So this will not be a clickable one. And if you want to give a progress bar kind of, if we have a bar which shows the progress of the free shipping, then you can just give if you are in a paid plan. And if you want to give a close button like this, you can mark this tick. Otherwise, you can just disable, then the close button will not be available. And now comes the styling part. So if you want to change the font, like, yeah, I am going with some chewy text. Yeah. So if you want to change it to any, you can just use the any text styles from this list. And font size also, you can just change to any pixels. So just go with 17. And padding also, you can just change to any other pixels. And now comes the colors. So if you want to change the text colors, you can just change like this. So let's go with this pink. And if you want to change the background color also, this is possible. Let's change this to a dark black color. And the special text color, the dollars colors also you can change. Let's keep this as yellow itself. And if you want to show this bars to be in a rounded corners, you can just choose this. And the opacity also you can change like this. And there are some other features also available here, but these are on the paid plans. And in comes the currency part. So my online store's currency is in USD, so I'm preferring USD. For you to select, you can just go with the list and you can select as per your wish. And you can also manually format the currency if you want. Otherwise, you can just automatically format the currency to the store selected language. And always display amount in USD also. You can just make it as we do have only this option for the free plan. And in case of the display setting, we can just show this up in the whether it should be down on the rest of the page or the on the top of pushes down the rest of the page. Everything we can change. We can just change. There are multiple other options also. So I'm just overlapping the top bar with the top page that I'm selecting like this. And if you want to be sure this up in always while under scrolling, you can just change this to the uh, fourth option. And if you want to hide this bar when the cart is empty, you can just click this option. And if we have only always display option for the free plan. So for the paid ones, we can also have the other option, like we can just only display the within the given period of time. And targeting the where others bar should be shown. In that case, you can display this bar on all pages, or if you want to show this up in a selected page, you can just choose the selected page over here. There is the product page, or well, we have for all the product page and collection page like that. And you can just exclude the bar from selected pages or the no pages anywhere. And device targeting, you can just have these kind of options. Customer targeting, for now we have only the customer or customers. And all the other parts are for the paid plans members. So I have done with the creation of my basic template of the uh, shipping bar. So I'm going to save this. Now let's test this up in our online store. So I'm opening my online store. I have to add some products to the cart. Since I have already some products in the cart, let's see. Like you can say that since our goal is $1,000 to have the free shipping, it shows only $270 away from free shipping. So actually this is hides the, oh, we have made this to the overlapping the top bars. That's why I cannot select the card. Let's change this to, so for you to edit the bar, the created bar will be in the bar free shipping bars area here. So just click on edit and let's change this to a top without overlapping, or top bar pushes down the rest of the page like this. So we can select our card icon. Yeah, now it's cleared. So I have to add some more products, or I am increasing the cart amount. And now you can say that the congratulations, you have got free shipping as the success message over here. So that's how you can just simply create a free shipping bar on your Shopify or on your Shopify stores using Hextom Free Shipping app. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.